Today I'm going to be unboxing this beautiful device that's in here, and this is Apple's first generation iPad mini. And I just received this morning. So let's get to it. I received the cover last week, and today I got the actual device. So this is a rather exciting day. And I'm really happy to see that Apple has really packed this very, very well. So there we go. Let's flip it around there. iPad mini. Oh boy. So what's in the box? We get the little packing things here holding it nicely in place. Very smart on the packaging. I like this. So you're going to really have to have a bad dent on the sides for this to really, collapse. So that's very good. So there we go. And box is empty. That's it for the box. So very good packaging. Very good packaging. I'm impressed. Alright, I'll just zoom in a little bit. There we go. iPad mini. And this here is the 16 gig version. So I'll just open this all up and we'll check it out. So there we go. Oh, I'm very excited. Nice box, as they always. Beautiful packaging. Kind of reminds me of the packaging of my first iPod Touch when I had that. That was exciting as well. I'll just zoom out a little bit here. There we go. So I'll get rid of the top of the box here. So we've got the usual little Apple plug to power the device, to charge it. There we go. In here we've got instructions. And the new lightning connector, which I'll get to in a second, but there we go. Gotta love that connector. Really, really nice. I will show better video of that in a second. And then the actual device itself. Beautiful. I'll probably do a little video on this, on some of the new functions at a later date. There we go. It's still cold. It's actually snowing out today. And I've got it engraved here. Right there. Frosty's iPad mini. Right there. Beautiful. That is a nice device. So I'm going to charge this up and I'll be back a little later on. I just wanted to show you close up the new lightning connector, and I'll just put a pencil right here beside it just to show you how small that new adapter really is. It is super, super small. You can really see the size there compared to the pencil. And here's the back of my iPad mini. I had it engraved. Frosty's iPad mini, of course. And we'll just zoom out. And there we go. What's nice about this is that it comes charged up already. I still have to set it up, but 91% ready to go. Charged up. I'll just start it up. So you can see there I've got to completely set this thing up, which I'll do. I just wanted to show you how it boots up. By the way, this video, this is for entertainment only. I'm not going to be doing any kind of demo, like actual demo where you're gonna learn a lot. This is just for fun. So that's it for this video. This is a very, very, very fast unboxing and first look. There are other videos out there, but I just thought I would share a video with you. So that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.